Samsung Galaxy M54 makes its debut in Malaysia. Samsung Galaxy M54 makes its debut in Malaysia. The Samsung Galaxy M54 has expanded its global presence, making its debut in Malaysia. Initially introduced in the Middle Eastern market, the smartphone is now available for purchase on Samsung Malaysia's official Lazada store. The phone is priced at RM2,099, but a promotional offer has temporarily reduced the price to RM1,599. Samsung Galaxy M54 specifications. The Galaxy M54 boasts a litany of impressive specifications. It features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 1080 by 2400 resolution, providing users with a high-definition, smooth visual experience. The display is protected by the durable Corning Gorilla Glass 5, a testament to the phone's robust build quality. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by an Exynos 1380 SoC integrated with an octa-core CPU and Mali-G68 MP5 GPU. This potent combination ensures high-performance computing and superior graphics rendering capabilities. The device is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, offering ample space for apps, multimedia, and documents. While a variant with 128GB storage also exists, it appears that only the 256GB model is available in the Malaysian market. Photography and power capabilities. The Galaxy M54's photography prowess is highlighted by a triple camera setup on the rear. This setup comprises a 108MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, promising versatile and high-quality photo capture capabilities. A 32MP front-facing camera is also present, enabling crystal-clear selfies and video calls. Powering the device is a substantial 6000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting use on a single charge. The phone also supports USB-C charging, facilitating speedy power replenishment when required. The Samsung Galaxy M54 is currently available for purchase on Samsung Malaysia's official Lazada page. Early purchases can avail of the special discount, reducing the phone's price from RM2,099 to RM1,599.